Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start on a Mac or Windows PC. This is the only way to change an Apple Music playlist cover. Once the Music app, or iTunes, is open, select the playlist you want to edit. Next, locate the image you prepared, square is best, and have it visible in Finder or Explorer. You're avoiding the iPhone app because it doesn't let you set covers. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and the playlist appears in the sidebar before moving on. Now you replace the artwork. Click the playlist so its detail pane is visible, and then drag your image file from Finder or Explorer directly onto the artwork square at the top. If you prefer, right-click the artwork and choose Edit, then Paste or choose File. The app may let you move or crop the image. Do that so key art isn't cut off. Once you confirm the preview looks right, release or click Save, the new image will attach to the playlist immediately. Finish by ensuring the Music app uploads the change to your iCloud music library so other devices receive it. Once done, give it a minute to propagate, then check your iPhone or other Macs. If the new cover doesn't appear, make sure iCloud Music Library is enabled, sign out and back in, or toggle the library sync to force refresh. If problems persist, restart the apps and confirm the image is JPG or PNG and not excessively large.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.